Okay, it's the final test. We have the locomotive all assembled, and first I'd like to test it by touching each side with the transformer, and forward and reverse. Everything's good. And then try touching a couple of wheels, and still have contact. And then our final test, of course, is put it on the track and get it on there right. And there we go. And then we touch our transformer to the track, and forward and reverse. Oh, if our track's dirty, there we go. There we go. I should have cleaned the track first, but it's our final success. And there we have our refurbished, made from junk, 280. Here's the couple shells, and we're all ready to have fun.